bringing the people behind our food to life.
There are many, many different types of peppers, and their spice level will vary depending on how much capsaicin is produced in the fruit and how much sun the peppers get as well. That will increase the production of the capsaicin. So that's what gives you that stinging flavor, that hot flavor in your mouth. So the Basque peppers are generally on the lower to mid range of the heat scale. Almost all of them, I would say, are on the lower end. They're all sweet. In this field, we have different peppers, primarily from the Basque region. In this row behind me, we have Pimiento Andaluz. Andaluz is a sweet green pepper that's used in Andalusia, lots of gazpacho, salmorejo dishes, and also in paella. Next to that, we have a pepper that's called Pima Anglais, and that's from southern France, and that's the traditional pepper for Piparra, and always in green and red. The northern Basque country is very similar to Oregon. It's very green, it's very lush, and that's actually why we can grow a lot of the varieties that are there over here. The peppers right here are Piparras Vascas. Piparras are found in lots of dishes in San Sebastian. All the pinchos bars, you'll see a pincho that typically has an anchovy, an olive, and then a pickled piparra. So these are traditionally pickled, but you can also use them in stews. They serve them with a lot of the bean dishes, and the reason why is because it actually helps to aid digestion. This is a Padrón pepper, Pimiento de Padrón. Traditionally, they're served in tapas bars in Spain. They're just sautéed in olive oil, and then you sprinkle sea salt over the top. About 1 in every 15 is spicy. It's sort of like a Russian roulette of tapas. So when you're sitting with a group at a tapas bar, you usually order a big ración, a big platter of them. And whoever gets the spicy one, it's considered good luck. So this is a Gernika pepper. This is from the Basque region. This is essentially the Basque's version of padrons, which are from Galicia. Unlike the padrones, these are all sweet. So these are piquillo peppers. Piquillo peppers are the ones that are fire roasted. So they're roasted and then peeled and then stuffed with cod, goat cheese, and sometimes also with oxtail. And these are from Navarra. Navarra is one of the Basque provinces, and that's also where they have Pamplona, the running of the bulls. That's in Navarra. The flavor on those is amazing, especially when they're fresh. These are Cristal, pimientos de Cristal. So Cristal peppers are fried when they're at the green stage, but when they're red, they're roasted and peeled just like piquillo peppers. So this variety here is a Choricero pepper. So choriceros are also from the Basque region. They're one of the peppers that's used to make pimenton. So it's a paprika that's in Spain. So the peppers are harvested when they're red. The outside skin actually gets pretty tough, but then they're dried in the sun and then ground down to make the paprika spice. Another way to use this pepper is it's reconstituted once they're dried, and you scrape out the pulp, and that's used for a lot of Basque dishes as well. The most important thing to identify when you're determining whether or not a pepper is spicy is to know what the variety is, because appearances can be very deceiving. They may look alike, but the flavor will be completely different.
Oh man, you're farther in here than I thought.